Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chloe Newhart, and I'm going to be presenting different logo types. So the first logo type we're going to be talking about is Wordmark Logos. Wordmark Logos are letter forms, usually just the name of the company by itself. The Wordmark Logos are simple, timeless, easy to read, memorable. They can also sometimes be designed to resemble signatures. To the right, you can see some examples of Wordmark logos. The second logo type we're going to be talking about is symbol/icon logos. Symbol/icon logos are graphic representations that help to simplify your message quickly. They are easily recognizable. To the right, you can see some examples of some easily recognizable logos. And next we have Lettermark/monogram logos. They are a combination of letters. They are not usually spelling out the entirety of the word, more like an acronym. Next we have combination mark logos. Combination logos are logos that use a symbol and a word together. They are the most used among all logo designs. And next we have Emblem Logos. Emblem Logos is a word marked inside of the shape, sometimes representing a crest, shield, or button. And then I have some examples to the right. And then we have Monoline Logos, which are my favorite kind. They are made from a single line that doesn't change in weight. It looks like it could be created from a single strand of string. The monoline provides a stripped-down, minimal look, which can be crafted into an intricate or simple symbol. Alright, that's it. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for watching.